we have root m over 5 equals 3m. Let's just cross multiply straight so that I can have root m is equal to 3m multiplied by 5. Now square both sides. Hello, welcome back. Let's find the value of m in this question. Solution. Okay, we are given root m divided by 5 equals to 3m. We are going to use two different methods. Here. Okay, method 1. We have root m over 5 equals 3m. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to square both sides. This is 2, then this is raised to power 2. Okay? So over here, what I will be having is root m all raised to power 2, then divided by 5 all raised to power 2. This is equals to 3m, that is 3 square and m square. Okay, so let's proceed. Here now, these two will cancel the radical sign. I will have m over 25 is equals to 3 raised to power 2 is same as 9, and here is m square. Now, do you know when you have a over b equals to c is same as a over c equals to b. So let's apply it here so that I can have m over 9m square equals to 25. Alright, so when we have m over 9m square equals to 25, can we now have 1 over 9 bracket m over m square as 25, so that 1m here can cancel. We have 1 over 9 bracket 1 over m equals to 25, so that 1 over m here will be 25 multiplied by 9. Okay, here it's just multiply both sides by 9. Let's say multiply here by 9. Okay, you have 9 times 1 over 9. Okay, equals 25 times 9. Good, that is what I have done. So this 9 can cancel this 9. You have 1 over m is equals to 25 times 9 will give you 225. But we are looking for m, not 1 over m. So we take the reciprocal of both sides. Therefore, m is equal to 1 over 225. That is method 1. Okay. Now let's check method 2 by method 2. Root m over 5 equals 3m. Let's just cross multiply straight so that I can have root m is equal to 3m multiplied by 5. Now square both sides. I will have here root m all raised to power 2 is equals to 3m multiplied by 5 all raised to power 2. Okay, so I can have here, this will be root m, these two can cancel. I will have m here is equal to 3 square is 9, m square you have m raised to power 2, m raised to power 2, 5 here will be multiplied by 25. So I can have m is equal to 9 times 25, you have 225. Then multiply it by m, you have m square. Now this thing is in the form of quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So let's rearrange it. I will have 225 m raised to power 2 minus m equals to 0. Here our constant, which is c, is 0. But our middle term here is minus 1. And the A is 225. So factorizing equals 225m squared. So we had m equals 225m squared, which I said is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So we have 225. So we have 225m raised to the power 2 minus m is equals to 0. So factorizing, please for more on quadratic equation, completing the square formula method and the derivation, please check my playlist. Please check my playlist on quadratic equation. We have part 1 to 4. Okay. So factorizing, I will have here m. What is common here? We have m is here. M is here. So we bring out 1m bracket 225m. So that m times 225m, we have 225m squared. So minus m divided by m, we have 1 equals to 0. In quadratic equation, if you have a plus b bracket c plus d equals 0, it means a plus b is equals to 0 or c plus d is equals to 0. So let's apply it here. So m is equals to 0 or 225m minus 1 is equals to 0. So I have m is equals to 0 or 225m minus 1 is also equal to 0. Okay, so m here is 0 or 225m. This minus 1 crossing equality sign will be 1. So find m. M will still be 1 divided by 225. Therefore, m is equals to 0 or that is m1 is equals to 0 or m2 equals 1 over 225, which is same answer we got when we use the first method. Alright, thank you.